Hey guys, in this video series we're going to be showing you exactly how music is made, breaking it down and keeping it super simple, comparing it to baking a cake. By the end of this video series, you're going to know exactly all the key words that you need to know to understand the industry better and accelerate your learning process. And you're going to know exactly if you should bring in professionals to your recording process or if it's best that you record on your own.
So there are 5 basic steps in creating a song from start to finish. First is pre-production, second, tracking or recording, third, mixing, fourth, mastering, and last is distribution.
So pre-production is a lot like writing the recipe. It's what is going to guide the entire process from here on out. And honestly, you as a musician are probably already good at this stage. This is the stage where you decide on the lyrics, you decide on the chord structure, the different melody you're going to be using, what instruments should be involved, all the music creative stuff that, again, you as a musician are already good at. If you are a solo musician, this is probably the stage that you're going to bring in someone like Sam, a producer who will actually build out all the instrumentals for you. These instrumentals that Sam would help you build are also called beats. In fact, today they're most commonly called beats, and they're made by people called producers. You'll know that you have a really good recipe or that you're done with the pre-production stage when you have all of the lyrics finalized and mapped out, you know exactly how the song is going to sound like, all of the people involved can perform their parts well, including features, and any stylizations like auto-tune or bass drops or things like that that you want in the song are mapped out so that basically you could show someone, hey, this is what my song is going to sound like. Just like with the cake, you're going to have a recipe that will line out exactly what the cake is going to taste like and how it's going to be made. When you have that, you know that you're done with the pre-production stage.
So this part of the song creation process is called by a few different names. Some call it songwriting, composition, or some people call it production. For example, the term producer has evolved a lot over time, but these days it's more commonly known as someone who makes beats. Just so you know, while you're writing a song, a lot of things may change. It is a creative process, so don't be afraid to try new things and try different styles out and see what fits you best. So all of these things will happen before you go into the recording studio, so make sure before you book your session that you have all of this planned out.
In summary, the pre-production process is all about creating a recipe, so you know exactly what you're going to do for the rest of the recording process. And that's what we're going to be talking about next, recording the actual song. We'll see you in the next video.